अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे अर्न विथ यूट्यूब कि यूट्यूब से आप कैसे पैसे कमा सकते हैं। चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। यूट्यूब is one of the best ways to get your evidence to know, like, and trust you. So million people watch online videos daily. 80% of online buyers watch videos before buying. Video is proven to catch attention quicker than text, so now it's your turn to cash in with YouTube. By uploading simple 2 minute or less videos. Decide on screen capture or in person. Find your niche ClickBank marketplace. Research your keyword. The best way to find out what people you are searching for is by going to the search bar on YouTube or Google and typing in your keyword. Then putting a space. Everything related to your topic being searched will pop up. That is what you make your videos on. Record your video implementing the following. Catch attention in first 30 seconds. State your name and what your viewer will be learning. Create 3 bullet points to speak around. Be concise. Videos under 2 minutes are the best. We live in an ADD society with short attention spans. Always have a call to action at the end. Direct your viewers to click the link below the video to discover example proven system that they can get started in risk free. Save your video to your desktop. Upload your video keyword in title description with keyword and tags. Add capture link in description. Create backlinks. Site across that web that link back to your site. Let's Google now your content is popular and help with ranking. मेरा उम्मीद है कि आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आई होगी और मेरा आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही प्रेस बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारी नई वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आ गई तो इसको भी लाइक करें। शुक्रिया।